Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in this video, I will show you how you make a video collage on Instagram. So let's start. Now first, let's go ahead and open up Instagram and tap on the plus icon on the bottom center. Now here, you can only make video collage with reels. So let's swipe and go to reel. Now here, you can see that there is, now in here, let's tap on video layout and choose the layout that we want. So for example here, let's try to use this layout here. Now, now after this, you can start and record a video. So this one, now the first one here is going to record. Let's do a quick video here. And for the second one, you can actually tap on your gallery here and search for a video. Say for example, let's use this one. And for the third one, maybe we can try and record on this one here. And tap on the check icon. And tap on next. So here you have it. This is your video collage on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.